Steven Wiggins with Saw Customs here. This is my 1954 Chevy 210. Bought this car about 5 years ago. It was originally a California car. It made its way to Florida. We purchased it out of Orlando. It had the original inline 6-cylinder 235 in it, 3 on the tree, enclosed driveline, all that good stuff. We drove it like that for a little while, decided to make it a little more roadworthy, so pulled it all apart. It now has a LS engine out of 2007 Chevy Tahoe with a 4L60E overdrive transmission. It's got a 1965 Chevelle rear axle under it, 373 gears in it, and it is on air. It has an AccuAir air suspension under it with a Murray Custom Rods Mustang II front end, and we drive it all over the country. We just came back from Oklahoma, went to the Daryl Starbird show in it, all that good stuff. So we put thousands of miles on this thing a year, and we love it. Super reliable, gets us where we need to go, and looks cool while it does it. And that's about it.